Hi there, I'm Amber and this is our eco-friendly Turfstone paver. What makes them an eco-friendly, permeable option is how they allow water to flow through the paver rather than run off the surface. You get the look of a lawn with the level, stable surface of a paver. And because they're designed and tested to be load-bearing, they are perfect as a driveway, parking area, even a path. Growing up, my family had a pop-up trailer and a fishing boat. And when we weren't using them, they sat in the back of our property, and every year during the rainy season, they would get stuck in the mud. Installing Turfstone pavers as a base would have been the perfect solution to this problem, and possibly many others. If you want to learn more about the Turfstone pavers, visit our website or pick up your Turfstone paver today at your local Menards. Happy building, and don't get stuck in the mud.